Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove or delete Facebook page from Meta Business account. As you can see in the video, now I am going to delete these page from my business account, so let's start it. First, open your Facebook browser. And click on your Facebook profile. Then click on Meta Business Suite. And here, just scroll down and click on All Tools. Then scroll down a little bit and click on Settings. Then just click on Business Assets. Then you will see all your Facebook page in your business account. And to remove the Facebook page that you want to delete, then just click on that page. Then you will see small 3 dots at the left side, and just click on it. Then click Remove from Business Account. Click Remove Page again. As you can see, now my Facebook page has deleted out from my business account. And if you want to delete another page from your business account, then just click on that page. And click on 3 dots. Then click Remove from Business Account. Okay, the page removed from business account successfully. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and feel free to give subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned with our new video. Thanks and bye for now.